guys, it's Julia. I know you guys literally haven't seen me on YouTube in literally forever. The last time I made a video was sophomore year of high school. I'm a sophomore in college now, but I've definitely always regretted stopping making YouTube videos. I definitely want to make it more of like a vlog style, because I think those are just really fun to make and fun to watch. I literally love watching them. Today I'm doing a week in my life video. It's Monday right now. It's 9:45. I usually wake up at like 8:30-ish, then I eat breakfast and get ready, and I literally don't have class until 12. So, super funny story that I want to tell you all. As you can tell, like, I don't really know if you can tell on camera, but like, I got a spray tan yesterday. I have literally never gotten a spray tan before in my life, and I was just kind of like getting back from spring break and everyone was tan, so I was like a little left out. I decided to go get a spray tan because the place by us was having $5 spray tans. I went and I was like super nervous, and I like knew that I was gonna screw it up. I was like, I'm definitely gonna screw this up somehow, like jinxed myself, because guess who screwed it up? I don't know if any of you have ever gotten a spray tan before, but when you sit in, or when you stand in there, the voice overhead tells you what positions to do. They didn't tell me like what positions I was going to be doing, so I get in there and I'm just standing there, and it started and I didn't hear it say lift your right arm up, so I didn't, and I heard them say put your right arm down, and I was like, I screwed up. It's like really white and then like super dark right here, just right here though. Just a little outfit of the day for you all. Please ignore the mess in the background. I literally have not unpacked yet. Like, my suitcase is literally just chilling right there. But I'm wearing, it's a little colder outside than I thought it was, so I'm wearing this Adidas sweatshirt over top of my long sleeve shirt. And then I'm wearing these white Lululemon shorts, just like they're basic, I don't know what they're called, but like the basic white shorts. And then I'm wearing my white Adidas, I think they are like Ultra Boosts. Yeah, but I love them. If you can tell, I'm wearing white because I'm tan and I want to look even more tan. I'm on a break right now. It's like 1:20-ish. I had class until 1:10, and then I have kind of a break. I don't have class until 2:30. It's a really awkward break, so I can't really go home. So I just kind of sit on campus and like do nothing. But yeah, so I went and I got Starbucks. Also, I decided to come sit outside. It's definitely a lot colder than I thought it was. It's like 60 and cloudy. So it's, I don't even know what time it is. Almost 9:30 p.m. I really sucked at vlogging today. I really didn't do that much. Today was just like wasn't a good day for it. Sorry, I look so rough. I just got out of the shower. I haven't even brushed my hair yet. I get home from classes at 5, and then right away I have chapter dinner, and then I have chapter, and then we had a super long chapter and didn't get out until like now. So I really like didn't get a good chance to vlog today, and I'm also just super new at this and like not really like in the habit of picking up my camera and like filming stuff that I do. So I'm definitely gonna consciously try better tomorrow. I definitely have a busier day tomorrow. We have our Big Man on Campus, which is like a pageant that we put on, and I want to bring my camera to that and just show you guys, 'cause it's supposed to be really funny, and I'm really excited for it. Good morning, YouTube. It's 8:30 right now, and I just found out that I have an advising appointment at 9:30, and I cannot miss it. So I'm kind of in a rush, and I don't really know why I'm not getting up right now, but whatever. I'm about to head out, but I just wanted to do a quick outfit of the day for you guys. I really didn't try it all. I'm in a rush, but whatever. For my shirt, I'm wearing this Tennessee sweatshirt that I actually cut to try and make a little trendier because I shrunk it really bad. Like, the seam was like right here, so it was already kind of cropped, so I just like cut it and made it a cute little look. And then my leggings are Lululemon, and then I'm wearing my Vans. So I just went to my advising appointment, and it definitely stressed me out. There's just a big chance that I won't be graduating on time, and it's so stressful because I cannot do a 5th year. Like, I'm refusing, but I'm gonna go and get myself a Dunkin' coffee because I deserve it. Treat yourself. Lit, lit, lit. Someone in front of me is smoking a cig, and how rude is that? I hate when people do that. So she like, when I first ordered it, she was like a large, and I was like, no, 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 a small, because your girl can't have larges, or like one, I will probably sit on like, sorry, like TMI, but I'll probably sit on the toilet and pee like non-stop, because even smalls make me pee non-stop. And so I was like, no, 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 small. And she's like, oh, okay, small. So I was like, okay, good. And then freaking I get to the window and she has got a large, and she was like, oh, I'm sorry, he accidentally made a large, but I'll give it to you anyway. It's as big as my head. So your girl missed the bus, so I'm 100% gonna be late for class. Here's some boobs. Oh, look at you!
Pretty friend Morgan.
This is our pretty friend Morgan. She's planning BMOC.
Hey guys, this is horrible lighting.
Yeah, you know, this lighting is just,
Yeah. Okay, there we go. Boobs. Are you gonna introduce your friends?
So this is Serena. Bad gal Sariri.
Yeah, that's my name on the street.
Okay, so we're about to go to BMOC.
Can you see me?
So we're gonna do a little outfit of the day. I'm wearing this Zeta shirt from Zeta. My jeans are from PacSun, and then I'm wearing my Gucci belt, and then my shoes are the Steve Madden slip-ons.
And my jeans are from American Eagle, shoes Adidas.
Wow.
Louis
But you're not.
My shirt is from Zeta, my jeans are from American Eagle, and my shoes are from somewhere.
You don't know?
Unknown.
Woo! Say hi. This is my little. One of them. So I just thought I had a bag. Go Zeta. Go big man on campus.
Open the doors and turn the lights down low.
So I just got home from BMOC. It was so fun. The guys were literally so funny. Oh my gosh. And then we stopped at Moe's. I already took my pants off. We stopped at Moe's on our way home. I got 2 tacos and chips. There's nothing like eating some tacos while in bed. Good morning, everyone. Happy Wednesday. I am literally so tired today. I stayed up so late studying, and then I woke up at 8 and have been studying ever since, and it's 10 right now, and I realized I'm out of K-cups, so I literally have not even had a coffee yet. So I'm gonna take a break from studying, and I'm gonna go to Starbucks and just grab a coffee and then come back and keep studying. It's literally 38 degrees out. It snowed last night, and it's still kind of snowing right now, but it's not sticking. So there's that. I definitely should have worn a coat. And then 2, Starbucks is closed for like some construction or whatever. You can't pull in there. So I'm driving all the way to Dunkin', which is like a 15-minute drive. Hi, can I get a small caramel iced coffee with cream and sugar? Tonight, I am kind of like debating either going to sleep or going to, every Wednesday we have this thing called Wing Wednesday. And I've only gone once this semester, but it was so much fun. We went for my friend's birthday, and they just have like half-price wings.
Back. Okay. So tonight we have this 90s retro sweatshirt from my dad.
Oh, super
and
cute.
We have these athletic leggings that are not Lululemon.
Wow.
And then we have my Adidas shoes.
Super cute.
That's the lookbook.
So we got this Forever 21 shirt, you know, urban flannel, but it's actually from Walmart. They ripped me off.
What?
Yeah, it really is. It's like Faded Glory brand, you know.
Whoa.
Got the Adidas.
Whoa.
Fresh.
Oh, super fresh. Got this super cute vintage sweatshirt that I cut myself. My jean jacket is from Forever 21. My leggings are Lululemon. Don't leave me. And my shoes are Adidas. What a beautiful summer day.
Beautiful summer day.
I'm driving.
Oh, wait for the bike.
Do it for the man. Do it for the man.
Here are my keys.
I got the goods. I almost saw my life flash before my eyes. I was trying to move and Sarah tripped me. You're welcome.
Hey, what's up? It's Hannah. Welcome to the Disney Channel.
Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday. It's about 10:30 right now and I'm about to head off to class. I've just been working on homework all morning. I woke up at like 8. I decided to go with no makeup today. I know I look really rough, but I was just feeling it because whenever I wear makeup the night before, like I just like feel like I want to cleanse my face in the morning. So that's what we're doing here. Also my outfit is just like super like whatever. I don't know. I just really didn't try. I only have 2 classes today and then I'm coming home. And then I have a date party tonight that is basically just like my sorority rents out a bar and you bring a date and then there's a theme. So this theme is celebrity couples and me and my friend Serena are being dates and we're being Kanye and Kanye. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with that. It's gonna be super funny because Kanye loves Kanye. I know, I hate us too. Oh, he's so cute! Dude, I was like,
Really cute.
I just want to love me. Hi. He's so cute. So we're on our way to the date party.
Yeah, we're Kanye and Kanye.
We're literally so late. Like
Yeah.
my hair is literally still wet. Barely any makeup on. But you know.
But you know,
we're
supposed to be there in 4 minutes.
4 minutes and we still have to park and
Yeah.
everything.
And wait,
So-
do you know where to park? I don't know where to park.
Oh yeah, I know where to park.
Is it far from the place?
Probably a 4-minute walk. So we're really late.
Still late. Yeah, it is definitely 9:16.
It's 9:16.
Not there yet. It's supposed to be there at latest 9:15.
Oh shoot, latest. See, that's when they have to tell us like latest 9, so then we're there at 9:15.
Yeah, exactly. So it's fine though.
I just got home from the date party. I was literally in such a rush getting there. I only had like a half an hour to get ready, so I didn't get a chance to show you guys my outfit. So I just got home and I'm gonna show it to you right now. So basically no one knew what we were, but it's fine. I don't even care. But we were Kanye and Kanye, so we both just got these $3 shirts from Walmart and cut them. My holes did not turn out that well, but they're like the Yeezy shirts that people pay like $500 for. Looks just like it. And then I wore a jean jacket and I kind of wore it off the shoulders like this. And then my jeans, I think they're from Charlotte Russe. And I decided to wear my NMDR ones, Adidas's, because I thought, no, I don't have Yeezys, but I can still rock it with some Adidas. I wore this little gold choker from Raw Rebellious. I wore my hair in my basic little half up, half down bun, but it's literally a mess right now because I've been dancing. I didn't vlog there at all because I just like really like didn't want to bring out my camera. It was super like small arena and it was so packed. I'm gonna get ready and go to bed right now and I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning everyone, happy Friday. I'm literally so happy today because my second class got canceled, so I only have 1 class. So please excuse how I look because I'm not even gonna show you guys my outfit because it's so rough and I'm literally coming home after my 15-minute class and going to the gym and showering and actually getting ready for the day. Today is the very last day of the vlog. So sad, but I'm definitely gonna do another week in my life because it was so fun to film. I'm not really sure what I'm doing today. I know I'm going to the like fraternities that do like the step, you know? I'm going to their performance tonight. I don't really know what else I'm gonna do today. It's gonna be an adventure, I'll tell you that. We're an hour and a half early to the step competition. We're literally just sitting in the student room and it's definitely closed right now. Like everything is closed. But we're all sitting here.
And then like yeah, it's all in the back.
I just got back from the steps show and I'm so tired. It was literally like 2.5 hours long. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here, but thank you guys so much for watching this video. Remember to like and subscribe and let me know what you think. Bye!